This is one of those occasions when the box and the accessories kind of look better than the sneaker. But I really like these Bape Forum 84 joints. Probably the best Forum 84s we ever seen. I come today to give y'all another how to style. This time on the Bathing Nate Adidas Forum 84 joints. It took a while for me to do this how to style because it was a time where I banned Bape. Like I couldn't get the Bape stuff I wanted, so I just banned it, sold all my stuff. And then Adidas, when Yeezy first came out, I was hitting like 1 every 5. I even banned Adidas too. But I still got some fire to show y'all. It ain't gonna really be too much Bape, even though the Bape Adidas is the best way to go if you're trying to match this. But you know we always do things different, step up the drip. Hit the B-roll.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
So like I said, besides the Bape Adidas stuff is a way that you gotta go. Like even if you don't want to go, you gotta go here. And that's some camouflage pants, guys. You gotta get the camo. You gotta get the camouflage. Great thing about this, anywhere, Zara, Forever 21, Zoomies, anyone has camouflage pants. They very, very affordable. But all camo ain't the same. This dope Fire Supreme hat. I love it. It just doesn't match. This is desert camo. It matches the sneaker a little bit, as far as the browns and the beige, but the camo's not right. You can't go out like this. You gotta do something more like this, man. The Supreme Wool camo hat, man. You gotta do this. The camos match, man. Perfect, perfect match. I think I paid like $70 for this, but this was like a couple seasons ago. But StockX should have it. Now I said I got rid of my Bape stuff. Well, some of it. But this one right here, this Market Pharrell tee. You know Pharrell just did the Louis Vuitton season. So Market gave him a tee. This Pharrell tee is a perfect match. From his hair to his face to the Louis bag, guys. I think this, yeah. I thought he had on sneakers. To the Louis bag. Perfect match, guys. Very affordable. I just don't know if you could find it. It was a limited edition look, but it's a perfect match to them sneakers. Another no-brainer to me is the Adidas Tyro pants. Like, any Adidas match, this is perfect. Yeezys, Forums, the Classics, the Stan Smiths. This is a perfect match, guys. I went with the black and gold joints because all the gold in that sneaker from the 30th anniversary situation. But the black and white ones is fine. They even got black and like forest green that match. But I like the Tyro look because of the jogger compared to the regular joints. Perfect match. $40. Sometimes you get them for like $15. Black Friday's coming up, so you know Adidas is going to have a sale. Speaking of that gold, I like this gold OVO Looney Tunes look, man. The shirt, OVO, you got Babs. You got Bugs Bunny, October's very own in gold, Looney Tunes. The back got the owl in gold. And then the hat to match also, October's very own in gold with the Bugs Bunny. Again, not Bape, but, you know, a play on the Bape with the gold that's in the sneaker. Or you could keep it all the way green and go with the Supreme. I forget what they call this tee, but it's a dope tee. It's a Supreme shirt, and they got all the Supreme accessories through the years on here. You got like a cigarette, the $100 bill, matches, lighter, pills. Super dope, man. And all the colors just, it seems to blend perfectly with that Forum 84 joint. You get this for like $80 on StockX and Go. But I really like it. These right here is not a perfect match, but I really do like the match. It's from my guys at Bravest Studios I've been telling y'all about for a while. They're the ones who do the Louis Vuitton shorts. This ones right here are super dope. Yes, there's a lot of colors in this short, but mainly you're looking at that yellow, that green, and that white on a nice beige shorts. It's a perfect match, man. I really like it. You get these shorts for under $100, but if you get them third party, sometimes they do be taxing. So you got to know if you really, really want them, man, because sometimes it's a big ticket for these. As far as essentials, I really only like the canary look because of the gold for the 30-year anniversary. But of course you can do all black, but if you want to do a color, I think the canary colorway is the perfect way to go. I don't even know if y'all can read that. But this right here, this brown Cactus Jack tee is a perfect match to them Bape joints. Watch this. You see what I mean? Perfect match to the Bape Adidas Forum joints. The Astro World Fortnite skin Cactus Jack tee. All brown tee. The front, I don't know what that reads. Cacti, maybe Cactus Jack in some kind of other language. But the front is a perfect match and the back even blends everything together. Again, third party. In the B-roll, I showed you this polo, but I kind of like this rugby polo match a little better. The gold on the pocket, the green and white stripes. Polo, man, they don't make rugbies like this no more. But I like the rugby look on top of the Forum 84, giving it that whole schoolboy look. Hats. It's a lot of them, man. I already showed y'all the Supreme Army joint. Good match. Very, very, very affordable. Essentials. In that like brown, muddy look. I like the look. Brown on the beige. I can go for it. TMT. Money just make your hat. You know, Mayweather joint. Perfect match. And I like this Supreme, I think it's buckshot hat, man. I like that olive green look. Yes, sir, man. So this has been a quick how to style on the Forum 84 Bape Adidas joints. But don't get it twisted. The Bape hoodies camo is the best way to go. And that Adidas Bape gear is also the best way to go. I'm just giving you other options, guys, to make a fire outfit. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.